Have you ever found it tricky to choose between have done and have been doing in English? If so, you're not the only one. A lot of learners get confused about present perfect and present perfect continuous. Today, I'll explain the difference in a simple way. Welcome back to Linear English Studio. In this video, we'll look at two tenses that people often mix up, present perfect and present perfect continuous. By the end, you'll know how to use both the right way. The present perfect shows something happened in the past that still matters now. The structure is subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, I have finished my homework. This means the homework is done now. She has lost her keys. This means she lost them earlier, and now she can't find them. Now let's talk about present perfect continuous. We use this tense when something began in the past and is still happening now, or just finished. It shows the action continued for a period of time. The structure is subject plus have or has been, plus verbing. For example, I have been studying for 2 hours. This means you started studying 2 hours ago and you are still studying, or you just stopped. He has been working all day. This means he started working in the morning and he is still working now. So, what's the difference? Present perfect focuses on the result. Present perfect continuous focuses on the activity itself or how long it has been going on. Let's look at some examples. I have written 3 emails. This means the emails are finished now. I have been writing emails. This means you are writing emails. And maybe you are still writing, or you just stopped. I have studied English. This means you learned English before, and now you know something. I have been studying English. This means you started studying earlier, and you are still studying now, or you just finished. Here's an easy way to remember. If the action is finished and the result matters now, use subject plus have or has in the past participle. If the action is still happening or lasted for some time, use subject plus have or has been and the verb with ing. Also, when you see time expressions, like for 2 hours, since morning, or all day, they usually go with the continuous form. These words show how long something has been happening. So remember, both tenses talk about something that began in the past and is still important now. Present perfect is used when the action is finished. Present perfect continuous is used when the action is still happening or was happening for a while. I hope this lesson helps you understand these two tenses better. Try making your own examples and say them out loud. The more you practice, the easier it gets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Linear English Studio.